Here's my coffee that I drink to help combat constipation while on Zepbound, which is a Tirzepatide. So I have is this box right here. As I mentioned in one of my videos, my 3-week video, I take 2 of these, and I'm just going to flip the box over. Excuse my kitchen, you guys. I actually use my kitchen. Okay, so here are the ingredients. I'm going to just kind of hold it here so you can read it. Okay. Now, I have ice in my coffee. It's just a little crushed ice. So I usually pour. I'm trying to look through the camera while doing this. I pour a little bit at a time. And then I don't have my tripod here because I'm at home. So I'm going to pause the video so I can cut these open with the scissors. Now, they do have the little rip deals, but most of us got these Betty Crocker scissors from the Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to pause the video and cut these open. Okay, so now I just pour both in. And again, you don't have to drink 2. I just do. You can actually do a half a sachet. And I mix it. Just kind of help it dissolve. This is where I store. I just use the old peanut container. Why not, right? Why not recycle? So I'm going to pour this in a little bit more. I really don't like hot coffee. You can drink it hot. It does not have to be made like this. This is just my indulgence since I don't really drink. So I use this or any type of 0 sugar. It just depends. Twix has a 0 sugar, I think by Nest. I don't know the brands, but this one is by International Delight. So it maybe was on sale or that was all they had in stock. And I'm pretty much out, so I have to stop by the store today. And I mix it up a little bit more. And see, it just looked like a regular cup of coffee. Because you can drink these by themselves. So let's just say you're not a coffee drinker, but you want this. You can just put 2 sachets in a cup of hot water and use you some cream. It comes already with like a slight hint of sugar. So since today is Sunday, and I just want to make sure it look creamy enough for me, I'm going to have cold foam. Now, this cold foam do have sugar in it. It does. So what I'm going to do is just put a little bit, but this is how much sugar it is. It's 2 grams and 2 grams of carbohydrates. Carbohydrates. It says about 2 tablespoons. I usually just put a little bit on the top again if I just feel like I need a little. I don't want you guys to think that I'm like this perfect eater, so I'm gonna go ahead and share. I don't have a sweet tooth this morning, but I'm gonna share. This is as much sugar as I'm intaking right now, or anything that tastes like sugar. Then I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of ground cinnamon. And you guys, excuse my Ninja coffee pot. It even have little cook stains. Like we actually use our cookware. So that's it. And I'm going to drink it. Thank you so much for watching. And again, the link for the coffee will be in the I need to clean it up. The link for the coffee will be in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.